Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Ranger air conditioning filter. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a screwdriver, your new cabin air filter, and perhaps some protective gloves. Always ensure your Ford Ranger is completely turned off and parked safely before you begin. The process starts by locating the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle, which houses the filter you're about to replace. Now, let's access the filter housing. Begin by opening your glove box completely and removing everything inside to give yourself ample working space. Next, you'll need to gently detach the small dampener arm, typically found on the right-hand side, which controls the glove box's opening speed. Finally, carefully push inwards on both the left and right sides of the glove box. This action will release the retaining clips, allowing the glove box to swing down further or be removed. With the glove box out of the way, you'll now see the rectangular cabin air filter housing cover. This cover is usually secured by 2 or 3 clips, or sometimes small screws. Carefully unclip or unscrew it to reveal the old, often dirty, cabin air filter. Gently pull out the old filter, paying close attention to the direction of its airflow arrow. Then, insert your brand new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the exact same direction as the old one. You're almost done. First, securely reattach the cabin air filter housing cover, ensuring all clips are firmly fastened or screws are tightened. Next, carefully reinstall the glove box by aligning its sides and pushing them back into the dashboard clips until they click into place. Don't forget to reconnect the dampener arm for smooth glove box operation. Finally, start your Ford Ranger and test your air conditioning system to confirm that air is flowing freely and cleanly through your vents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.